Hello and good evening to all the students. So students, let's begin our today's session. In previous session we have done NCERT class 7 maths textbook exercise 1.3 and in today's session we will do exercise 1.3 rest questions. That is, in previous session we have done question number up to 5 and in today's session we will complete this exercise. Okay, so without any further interruption let's start our exercise, and today's question will be 6. And I am just reading question number 6 and you can see question number 6 on your screen also. Okay, so question number 6 is as a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Okay, so in this question we have to find the temperature. Okay, so how we will find, you can see on my blackboard. Okay, so here is answer number 6, and in this question we have given temperature from 40 degrees Celsius. So given temperature equal to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it is given in question, and further it is given we have to decrease temperature 5 degrees Celsius in every hour. Okay, so temperature to be decreased, temperature to be lowered equal to 5 degrees Celsius per hour or every hour. Okay, so we have to find what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins. So in every hour we will decrease temperature at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. So temperature after 10 hours will be 50 degrees Celsius. So temperature after 10 hours will be 50 degrees Celsius. So in the starting question we have given temperature 40 degrees Celsius and we have to lower at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. So temperature after 10 hours will be 50 degrees Celsius. But problem in this question will be, is this will be positive integer or negative, since we have to decrease the temperature. Okay, so whenever we will decrease any number, then we have to lower it. Okay, that is, it will be minus. Yes, correct, it will be minus, that is, it will be negative integer. So given temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, so temperature after 10 hours will be minus 50 degrees Celsius. So again, temperature will be after 10 hours equal to 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is a simple question, and in this question we have given temperature, that is the room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and we have to lower room temperature at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So temperature after 10 hours will be 50 degrees Celsius, but it will be of negative. Okay, so I have done mark here minus 50 degrees Celsius, and temperature after 10 hours will be 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I hope that you have understand this question, so you can note it from my blackboard also. Okay, okay students, now I hope that you have understand this question number 6. Now I am rubbing it and we will start doing question number 7. And these all questions are very easy questions and you can easily do with your own self also. So just see here how I am solving it and you can practice with your own also. So what is the question number 7? Question number 7 is just like a quiz program, okay? So I am just reading and you can see question number 7 on your screen also. So here is question number 7. So I am reading it. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and -2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. Okay, so here 3 parts are given, part first, part second, part third. So we will start this question in first part. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. So what will be the Mohan's score? So what Mohan has answered? Mohan gets 4 correct. Okay, Mohan score 4 correct answers. Mohan score for correct answers, it will be 4 cross 5. Why it will be 5? Because for correct answer 5 marks are awarded, that is it will be 20. Now Mohan has not given only correct answer but he has given also incorrect answers. So what will be for 6 incorrect answer? So Mohan score for incorrect answers and it will be 6 cross -2. Okay, in question you can see it is given 6 cross -2 and -2 are awarded for every incorrect. So Mohan's score after giving, or we can say after attempting, okay, after attempting 10 questions will be 20 plus and it will be -10, because in first part it is given Mohan has answered correct for 4 questions and incorrect for 6 answers. So total questions will be 4 plus 6, that is 10. So similarly, what will be the answer? Answer will be also be written as for correct. For correct it will be 20 and for incorrect it will be plus -12. So what will be the solution? 20 and plus minus it will be minus. This is 12. So Mohan's score will be 8. So you can see from here that these questions are very easy and you can easily do it. Okay, so you can note it from my blackboard also. Okay, just note it. Okay students, now I hope that you have understand this question, so I am not rubbing it. Okay, now we will do its second part. So what it is second part? And in second part it is given Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? So in this part Reshma has given questions for 5 correct questions and 5 incorrect answers. Okay, so Reshma's score for correct answer. What will the Reshma's score for correct answer? It will be 5 cross 5. because 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. And similarly, Reshma's score for incorrect answer. What will be the Reshma's score for incorrect answer? For incorrect answer, remember, -2 marks are awarded. Okay, and here Reshma has given 5 incorrect, so it will be 5 cross -2, that is -10. So Reshma's final score after attempting 10 questions. What will be Reshma's final score after attempting 10 questions? 25 plus -10. Correct. And it will be 25 minus 10, that is 15. Okay. So Reshma's score will be 15. Okay. Now we will do its part third. So I am just rubbing it, and you can either take a clip of it or just note it. Okay. So what is its part third? Part third is also very simple and easy. So you can see from here how easy these questions are. Part third is Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? So in this part it is given Hina has only attempted 7 questions, that is 2 correct and 5 incorrect. So we will write as Hina's score for correct answers. Correct. Hina's score for correct answers. What will be the Hina's score for correct answers? Hina has scored only 2 questions, and so she will be awarded 5 marks. It means it will be 10. Okay. Similarly, we will find for incorrect answers. So Hina's score for incorrect answer. What will be the Hina's score for incorrect answers? Hina has given 5 incorrect. So 5 cross -2. It will be minus of 10. So Hina's score after attempting 7 questions. Okay. As Hina has attempted only 7 questions, in which she has attempted 2 correct and 5 incorrect. So what will be her score? 10 plus -10. So it will be 10 minus 10, and it will be, yes, correct, 0. So you can see from here that these questions are too easy, and you can easily done in your note copy also. Okay, so please note it down. Okay students, now I hope that you have understand question number 7 also, and now we will do question number 8. Okay, so I am just rubbing here, and question number 8 is also very easy question. So look on the blackboard and just do it, note from the blackboard in your notebook. Okay, and question number 8 is now on your screen, so you can look on your screen. What is the question number? I am just reading. A cement company earns a profit of ₹8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of ₹5 bag of grey cement sold. So here it is given cement, here it is cement company which earns rupees 8 per bag of white cement and loss for rupees 5 per bag of grey cement. So I am just writing here answer A, part A. And in part A we have to find the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Okay. So in the question, what is it is given here? It is given here company earns profit of rupee 8 per bag if company sold white cement. So we will write here it as profit for white cement, profit for white cement bags. What will be the profit for white cement bags? It is given here 8, or you can write rupee 8 per bag. Okay. For if company sold white cement, then company does rupees 8 per bag profit. So what will be the profit after selling 300 bag? After selling, sorry, it is 3000. After selling 3000 white cement, after selling 3000 white cement bags, company's profit will be 8 cross 3000. That is 24,000 rupees. Okay, you have understand? If company sold rupees, okay, so it is just a tricky question. If company sells white cement bag, then company earns rupees 8 per bag profit. So what will be the profit after selling 3000? It will be 8 cross 300. Similarly, when company sold grey cement bag, yes, when company sold grey cement bag, company earns loss for rupee 5. So loss for grey cement bag, loss for grey cement bags, it is given here rupee 5. Okay. If company will sold grey cement bag, then company will do rupees 5 loss. Okay. So after selling 5000 grey cement, after selling, when company will sell 5000 grey cement bag, then what will be its loss? Its loss will be 5000 cross 5. Yes, it will be 25,000 rupees. So now we have to find what is its profit or loss. So profit is 24,000 and loss is 25,000. Sorry. So company's profit or loss will be 24,000 minus 25,000. Why it will be minus? Because company has sold grey cement bags for loss of rupees 5. Okay, so for 5000 bag it will be 25,000, but 25,000 will be for negative integer. So it will be minus 1000 rupees. So here it will be loss will be minus 1000 rupees. Okay, so you can note it from my sheet here also, and you can easily solve it in your notebook also. Okay students, now we will do its second part, and in second part it is given what is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss. if the number of gray bags sold is 6400 bags. Okay, so we have to find in this question number of white cement bags. So it is very easy, and you just look at my blackboard how I am doing it. Okay, so I am now doing it part B. So in this question, what is the number of white cement bags? We have to just find number of white cement bags if there will be no profit and no loss. That is, here it will be no profit, no loss means profit will be equal to loss, correct? When there is no profit loss, that means profit is equal to loss. So in this, if company has sold gray bags, that is 6400. Cost for selling gray bags. Cost for selling gray bags will be 6400, and in the question it is given that gray bags are sold at a loss of rupees 5. So it will be 5. It means it will be 6400. I am just writing it as 6400 cross 5. So cost for selling gray bags will be this. Now we have to find what will be the cost for selling white bags, and in the question it is given white bags are sold at a profit margin of rupees 8 per bag. So we will just suppose let number of white bags sold be X. Okay, we have just imagined the number of bags sold is X. So profit after selling X bags, what will be the profit after selling X? Yes, correct, it will be 8. Correct, it will be 8x. Because why 8x? Because profit is of rupees 8 per bag and number of bags are X. So it will be 8x. Now, according to question, white bags are sold at a profit and gray bags are sold at a loss. So, and in this question, profit is, there will be no profit and no loss. That is, profit will be equal to loss. So we can write here, therefore, 8x will be equal to 6400 cross 5. Why? Because profit is equal to loss, and profit is 8x and loss is 6400 cross 5. So now simply we can find x here as 6400 cross 5 upon 8, and it will be 800. So what will be the answer for x? It will be 4000. So what will be 4000 white cement bags. If company will sell 4000 white cement bags, then the condition will be that there will be no profit and no loss. That will be profit, company's margin will be 0, and at the end profit it will be equal to loss. That is, that no profit and no loss. Okay, so you can note it from here. Okay students, now I hope that you have understand question number 8 also, and now we will do question number 9, and it is the last question of this exercise also. Okay, and you have done question number 1 to 8 in your note copy also. Okay, so now we will do question number 9, and it's just very simple again. So answer number 9, and here there are 4 part of 9, A, B, C, D, and I will be just do A and D, and rest B and C will be your homework, and you will do with your own self. Okay, So question number 9 is now on your screen. So you can see from the screen what it is. It is given, replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. That is, we have to just fill in the blanks. And part A is written it as -3 cross, and here it is blank, equal to 27. And now we have to fill the blank. So it is very easy. What will be here? Because this is positive and here it is negative, so we have to just put here any negative number, and whose after multiplying by 3 is not 27. So it is very easy. It will be -9. Correct. Why -9? Because -3 cross -9 will be 27. Because minus will make plus, that is 27. So what will be the answer? -9. Now we will do its part D, and B and C we will do with your own self. So I am just doing part D here. In part D it is given dash cross -12, and it is 132, and we have to fill in the blanks. What will come here? So what will become here? Here it is positive, here it is negative, so number here will be just like it is part A. What will be here? Here it will be minus of 11. Why minus of 11? Because -11 cross -12 will be minus will be plus, and it will be 132. Or simply you can just divide by 12, you can get your answer. So you can just note it in your note sheet also. Okay students, now I hope that you have understand this exercise also, and this is a very simple exercise, and I hope that you have comfortably understand 1.3 number also. And if you like my channel, then you can please subscribe my channels also, and if you want more notification, then please always subscribe it, like channel, and share it to your friends also, so that they can also do with their own self. And we will meet again in our next session. Okay, thank you students.